Welcome back, my beauty squad. If you're new, it's your girl Jessica, and guess what today is? Can you tell? Can you tell by the merch? Like, can y'all tell by what I have on my clothing? We have an unboxing. So if you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you would like to see what I got in my 420 box for spring of 2021 for Jeffree Star, make sure you stay tuned. Plus details on an upcoming Jeffree Star giveaway. You don't want to miss out. Like, who doesn't love a giveaway? Plus it's Jeffree Star items. So make sure you stay tuned. And after you're done, please share me out. I greatly appreciate it. And click on that subscribe, turn that bell on. That way you get notified for any other video upload, because your girl plans on coming back better than ever. You want to stay tuned for this.
Yeah. Bring you up. Yeah, come on.
Hey, my beauty squad. So guess what today is? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? We have none other than unboxing. Whoop, whoop. This is the premium 420 Jeffree Star 2021 Spring Mysterybox edition. So, if you are excited to see what is in this bad boy, as well as I am, let's go ahead and break her open. Let's not keep the people waiting. I know what y'all are here for. So, while I'm trying to get this bad boy open, I do want to let y'all know I am hoping for the Blood Buddy. I do have the Supreme coming. I haven't got confirmation yet that it's shipped. But as soon as it gets here, as soon as I do an unboxing, I am doing somewhat of a giveaway depending on the palettes I get. Because I've been seeing it floating around. It's the Jawbreaker palette and the Supreme. I have that palette. I have a lot of his palettes. I don't have the Orangey palette. I don't have the Controversy palette. I don't have the Blood Buddy palette. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Or the first two, like Beauty Killer and Androgyny. So, the odds are in your favor. Even if, like, there's going to be a Jeffree Star giveaway. Even if it's a, like, exclusive item or somewhat, we're doing a Jeffree Star giveaway. Just because I want to be able to give back to y'all. I want to be able to give back, period, on my channel. I currently have a giveaway going on for ColourPop giveaway. There's six chances to win, y'all. So make sure you drop down below in my description. Grab up that link. ColourPop springtime giveaway with my girl Samantha Sweets. You do not want to miss it. Awesome. It is May 2nd. So jumping into this bad boy. First and foremost, it's great packaging. Beautiful. Main reason I got this box is because I was wanting blood money. Look, it's a hat. I'm not a hat person. It's cute. Like, she cute. So, one of my girls have fun with that. Next item I am pulling out is a pop socket from Jeffree Star. This will be going into a giveaway. I've already had a pop socket from Jeffree Star. I absolutely love it. It lasted me forever. I had a pink one. But right now I have a pop socket that says, I'm not always a bitch. It's like, kidding, go F off. And then I have one that we're all mad here that kind of switches out. And I want to give back to one of y'all because I know so many of y'all have never had anything from Jeffree Star. So that would be awesome to put in that giveaway. Next thing I'm pulling out is the gloss. This is in the shade Heaven's Gate. This is, I want to say, from the cremated edition because of the packaging. Ooh, she pretty. Look at that. You can't go wrong with a sparkly white gloss. And yeah, I know most of y'all sitting here looking at just why who punched you in your eye? It's not a punch. Promise you. You ain't get punched. I have a swollen gland right up in here. It's aggravating as crap. I did go to the doctor today though, because I currently had a style in this eye a month or so. And I've never had them. Like, I've never had any issues with my eyes before. And I wanted to make sure I wasn't nothing funky going on. And so they're going to send me to a specialist because I might have to end up getting a couple of glands removed. They're just irritated and swollen and stuff. So I'm currently on some antibiotics to get the swelling down. See how that goes. Waiting on a phone call. We'll see. Next item. So we're what? 3 for 3. Hat, yay. Pop socket, yay. Extreme gloss, yay. 2 items, not keeping. 1 item keeping. Stoned. This is a lip balm in the shade Stone. Cute name for a cool box, right? This is what it looks like. I ain't gonna touch it because I'm gonna be putting this in a giveaway as well. It's green. I currently have a lip balm, so I don't need to be greedy and keep all of them just because it's a different shade. That will also be going into a giveaway. Next, this is how we do it. There's a shiny grinder. A pink, baby pink grinder. It wouldn't be a video of one of mine if I didn't throw stuff around. But that's what it looks like. That's the top of it. You also have a Keef scraper right there. It's cute because it has the little Jeffree stars on it. I already know what I'm going to be giving this to, so. I'm not technically keeping it, but I have somebody to give it to. Last but not least, and I'm pretty sure, unless he's tricking us, I got what I wanted. It is. Yay. This alone pays for the $70 box, guys. And what's cool about this is like his newest release. So to already see it in a mystery box is really what's up. Because, you know, like a lot of people throw off their old inventory or stuff they're trying to get rid of. And, you know, this is the newest Bud Baby. So, to see it already in a mystery box, woohoo. Perfect timing, too, because look at that green. Look at that green. See, with this, when this baby launched, I did not get that. I wanted a hoodie. I was more obsessed with this hoodie. So, I grabbed a hoodie and I grabbed the eyeliner just to try out from the brand, from the launch. And I regretted every day not grabbing the palette. And I was going to grab it and go and grab it and go and grab it. And then I saw the opportunity with this mystery box because I was like $70 for 6 items. Everything's supposed to be green in this box. So the only green palette he has is Blood Money. So if I was to get that and literally hated everything else in the box, it's still worth it. Still worth that price tag. Because I got this beautiful baby. Plus, I got a gloss. So, you know, the glosses are like 18. These are like 62 or 54, something like that. Regardless, this right here is the $70. Plus, this is going to someone special in the family. I think you're like 30. Oops. One of my girls will love this. That's cute. And it's an exclusive item. So, I'll make sure they keep it up. I got a red beanie. I would have been more happy with a beanie, personally. But it is summertime. It makes more sense. Well, springtime. It makes more sense receiving a hat than a beanie in the spring and summer. Because you're not technically going to wear a beanie in 90-degree weather, right? Also, let me show y'all. This is so super cute. Like, he does the prettiest pictures. I want that robe. That robe looks badass. It's a green robe. But I know the I do know that it is Supreme. It did ask for a size, so I know we're getting some kind of clothes item. I haven't really seen any spoilers for that box yet. But like I said, depending on the palette I get in there, we already know we have 2 items going into the giveaway. Even if it's a palette that I want to keep, I'm still going to do some kind of a giveaway. I do have a couple palettes sitting here that I need to give away anyways. So we'll put something together. But I'm hoping it's a palette that I already have, so that I'll be able to give back to y'all. Because I'm happy with Blood Money. I'm really, really happy with Blood Money. So the odds are in y'all's favor for that, for sure. So 3 out of 3 is not bad. Keep it 3. Get rid of 3. Like I said, very, very well worth my money, in my opinion. Everybody's opinion is different. We all have one, just like we have buttholes. You know, it's just a human thing. It's life. But if you are new here and you enjoy my content, please make sure you smash that subscribe and turn that bell on. That way you get notified. I have been like hit and miss with my videos here lately, but it's only because our Wi-Fi has been down so bad. We are getting new company tomorrow, so your girl's back at it. I'm gonna be better than ever. Like, I'm gonna be coming at y'all with punches. I've got some ideas. I've got some very creative new videos coming up. I have a reorganizing video coming up where I've bought all my storage units and redefined my area to where it's comfortable for me to actually sit down and film. That's coming. I've been literally grabbing clips here and there. Like, every time I take something down, put something up, snap, snap, snap. And I can go over all the organization that I've done, like where I've got them from, all that good stuff. Now, make sure you have entered in my ColourPop giveaway with me and Samantha. 6 winners. The odds are on y'all's favor, guys. But make sure you enter. And stay tuned for my Supreme box coming up. There will be a giveaway in that. I still have a couple more giveaways coming up. I have a gift card coming up. Gift card giveaway coming up. I have a small business giveaway coming up. Like, this year is all about giving back to y'all one way or another. If it's through makeup, if it's through gift cards, if it's just through me sitting here thanking y'all. I want to do it. I want to show my appreciation. I want to build an empire, guys. Like, we're in it to win it. Only way to be on this platform. But I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. So make sure you stay tuned. You don't want to miss. You know what I'm talking about.